This is the all-new Alliance benchmark, where we're setting the benchmark for luxury. Why don't we go take a look? Welcome to the Benchmark 44 LFT. Before we take a tour, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment if you want to see more Alliance product from General RV. All right, now that we're inside the Benchmark 44 LFT, the first thing you're going to notice is this large kitchen island that features 5 bar stools underneath. Additionally, you're going to have a large stainless steel sink with a nice faucet. Now behind me, starting from this side, you're going to have a large pantry that features pull-out drawers. And then when you come to your appliances, you're gonna have a 30-inch residential microwave, 4-burner cooktop stove with a turkey-tested oven. And another great feature is in your drawers, you're gonna have maple glazed hardwood that can support up to 90 pounds. Now, we can't skip your refrigerator. You got a 110-powered refrigerator that's 18 cubic feet, and yes, it is prepped for an ice maker. When you come into the living space of the Benchmark 44 LFT, you're gonna notice this large L sectional sofa. It's very comfortable. It's actually from an American company and a low volume, so it's high quality. Another thing you're gonna notice is all the windows. You have tons of windows. These are our Atrium-Style windows that open up 50% of the way to maximize airflow and light coming into the coach. Now, when you look across from you, you're gonna notice windows up at the top. Those might be hard to pull those blinds. Well, don't worry. There's a button behind your TV area that allows you to lower the blinds from a motor. Additionally, you're gonna notice you have a 50-inch smart TV that's on a TV lift. So when you wanna see the views, you simply can put it down, or if you wanna watch your favorite show, you can put it up. Below that, you're gonna have additional storage and a 5500 BTU electric fireplace. Another really cool feature about this sectional sofa is it does come with this ottoman that features hidden storage inside. Now, before we talk about sleeping space, one of the things that destination trailers often overlook is they give you one furnace that has to be piped through the entire length of the trailer. What we did with the Benchmark is we added 2 30,000 BTU furnaces, giving you 60,000 of BTU worth of heat to get in here so everyone can stay comfortable. And on the ceiling, you're gonna find 3 15K ACs, giving you 45K BTU power of AC, keeping you nice and cool in the hot weather. As you take a step to the rear of the coach, you're gonna notice this very demure, very mindful staircase. It's very wide so you can easily get up it. And then into your loft, you're gonna find a 6-inch mattress, which is thicker than anyone else in the industry. It's actually pretty comfortable. You're gonna find your second smart TV, and also you're gonna notice that your residential can lights are on a dimmer. Additionally, there's tons of storage up there. The 44 LFT features 2 full-size bathrooms. Notice how much space you have in here. Over here, you're gonna have floor-to-ceiling storage for your linen closet, a large stainless steel sink, a porcelain toilet with a soft close lid, and a great shower. But the best feature is you're gonna find a washer and dryer standard on every Benchmark. Now, as you head towards the front of the Benchmark 44 LFT, you're gonna notice a large loft over your master bedroom area. What's really cool about this space is you do have carpet up here, but that's padded carpet. You're gonna have 2 full-size mattresses as well, so that's now 3 full-size mattresses in here. You're gonna have your 3rd smart TV and tons of storage. In the bedroom of your 44 LFT, you're gonna find a king-size bed that's on a tilt, so if your partner snores, you can put it up a little bit. Underneath your bed, you have 2 additional drawers for storage. And next to your bed, you're gonna have nice little end tables with USB, ANC charge type, and 110 power. Now, across from the bed, you're gonna find some really unique storage solutions. Underneath your stairs to the loft, there's pull-out drawers to maximize the amount of storage that's in here. And then, continuing on, you're gonna find your 4th smart TV, storage next to it, a large window, a nice solid surface countertop with additional storage below, and your second 5500 BTU electric fireplace. In the second bathroom of your 44 LFT, this is your master suite. You're gonna find a large single-piece shower with a teak seat that can support up to 250 pounds, tons of storage. In this closet, you have hanging and folding abilities with an adjustable shelf and a hanging rod. Behind me, you're gonna find a nice little dresser / storage area that has tons of storage in it. You are gonna have a large front window, but don't worry, you do have a blind so you can add some privacy. Then on this side of the bathroom, you're gonna find additional linen closets, as well as a large vanity area with a deep stainless steel sink. Now let's talk about some of the key construction features of the Benchmark. This is going to be built out of our Plant 2 facility, which is where our Paradigm fifth wheels are constructed. You're going to have a similar construction style where you're going to have aluminum cage construction, double-sided Asdel, and for those that don't know what Asdel is, it's a polymer material that is 50% lighter than wood, rot, mold, and mildew resistant. You're also going to have a PVC roof up on top that has a lifetime warranty and is fully patch repairable. So some of the key features you're going to find in the Benchmark 44 LFT, you're going to have 2 lofts that are going to easily sleep up to 6 people. You're going to have a master suite that has a king-size bed that can sleep 2 more people, so you're talking 8 people comfortably, maybe 10 depending if you have a couple little kids. Additionally, you're going to have that 45,000 BTU of AC up there with the RV airflow to really move the air not only into the lofts but into the bedrooms. Additionally, you got those 2 30,000 BTU furnaces that give you 60,000 BTU of power to really make this space very comfortable. Everybody, thank you for taking a tour of the Benchmark 44 LFT. If you want to learn more, please go to generalrv.com.